Hi, I'm using Unity 84 Sequenced to talk about some words that I learned when I was reading a story. Those words are can, can't, should, and shouldn't. I learned these words when I read the story The Three Billy Goats Gruff. And I learned how the goats could use the bridge to cross over the river to eat the sweet green grass. They can go over the river. The little goat was on the bridge going over the river, and the troll underneath said, I should eat him. But the little goat said, no, you can't eat me. You should wait for the bigger goat and eat him. The troll said, maybe I shouldn't eat him. He said to the little goat, okay, you can go. Now that I've learned those words in the context of the story, I'm going to use them in a different activity. I'm going to play a game. I'm going to send pictures of things that grow, like the green grass, to some of my friends and ask them some questions. Let's see how they answer them. Sally, can you eat this? She said, she can. Hi, Dan. Can you eat this? He said, he can. Lisa, can you eat this? She said, she can't. Hi, Mike. Can you eat this? He said, he can't. Debbie, should you eat this? Debbie said, she should. Steve, should you eat this? Steve said, he shouldn't. What about Jack the cat? Jack, should you eat this? Jack said, he shouldn't. Should he eat this? He should. I can, I should eat all of these things. I can't and I shouldn't eat all of these things. You don't always have to talk about things to eat. You can talk about things to play, to read, to know, to have, to like. Make a game out of it. You can play it with your family or your friends. Have some fun.